well, at least that I saw in the hotel. See what the room is like. All right, as soon as you walk in, there's a refrigerator, dishwasher, microwave, ice bucket. There's plates, paper towels, all the cleaning utensils, sink, garbage can. I love these type of faucets in case you need to move around and get a variety of things. There's that. Then there is the stove, the electric stove. I'm not really a fan of electric stoves, but hey, it's in the hotel and it's great and it'll work. It'll do. Coffee mug, a Keurig. Open space here. There is a love seat. Painting. Right now it's February, so it's cold, but I can hear the heat coming out of there. Here's a television. Adjoining door. I'm not sure if that goes to someone else's room because it doesn't go to mine and I'm afraid to open it. Nice dining area in case you get hungry and you want to eat here. And then there's more. I was surprised when I turned this corner. I wasn't expecting this. There is a stairway. So let's go upstairs and see what's next. Picture of Marilyn Monroe. To my right, there is a closet. Let's see how much space is in here. Okay, nice decent size for a hotel visit, depending on how long you stay. There's no safe in this one, there might be one in another one. And then there's a bedroom. Two bedrooms. See, we're definitely on the last floor based on the ceilings. You can still hear the heat coming out nice and warm. It's a television, dresser, not anything here, but I like. And let's move on. There is yet another bedroom with a full-length mirror. Gotta love full-length mirrors. Nice chair. Wow. I haven't seen an alarm clock like that since 1998. But I'm sure it works. I may have to use it. Here's the king-size bed with a desk in case you need to do things for work or virtual school. Chair looks nice and comfy for the office. What's in this closet? Oh, this closet is huge. Okay. The ironing board, iron. I don't think there's a safe because I haven't seen one yet, so no safe. But lots of space. And let's check out the bathroom. I have yet to check out the bathroom. Okay, this looks like a bathroom that you would find in a home as opposed to a hotel. But it's cool, it'll do. The towel. Shower head tub. All the bare necessities, a blow dryer. Darn, no LED mirror. That usually is a good win for me. But that, my dears, is what the room looks like here at the Artmore in Atlanta, Georgia as of February of 2021.